Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll test out the water gun that I made in a previous video. But first, I'll make another one. Okay, it's all done. Now if you notice, this one here is called the Mini Drencher. This one's the Max Drencher, FBW, full body workout. This holds 2.5 gallons of water in it. And it's already pretty heavy. So now let's go outside and test them out. Okay, now that we're outside, we'll have a water gun fight. Just gotta pump this up. Okay, let's go. I'm out.
I'm not.
Woo. Oh no, I'm not. I just forgot, you gotta tip it down to get the last water.
Right. Oh, I'm running out. And I'm out.
Okay, fill up.
That's not right.
So. Okay, so on this, I put hose clamps, but I forgot to do one on this attachment. So this one still kind of comes off a little bit with high pressure, which, see? So I'll just put a hose clamp on there next time and then that'll fix that. Anyway, let's go. What are you gonna do? So see, now I can only do it slowly. Like imagine if you guys could only do it slowly. You know?
Yeah.
Like that.
But we can't. That's a good thing.
Mine's a nice little cream though. Gotta admit. Okay, this is unfair because my gun doesn't stop. Pause. This is unfair because my gun doesn't work. I'm gonna get another one. You guys go here.
Okay.
I can hit it.
Don't hit it. Yeah. See how mine goes down?
Oh, I can do it down.
Well, Zana, see how mine is like a little stream?
Don't do it out the camera. See how mine's like a nice big stream? What do you do?
Okay, turn around.
What the? Oh no!
It's go time!
Uh-oh. This one I don't have a stopper for, so I just have to go a little bit less. Hang on.
That's ridiculous! Is that also an estimation?
Yeah, I just gotta pump it up. There we go, okay.
That's like a barrel!
Here's a fiddly though.
That's like beach water! It's cold.
But you have to admit, mine lasts a while.
That's ridiculous! That's a lot of water coming out of that too.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I gotta take a break.
Okay.
I'm getting a little too tired. Okay, thank you. It works good. Okay, you're done.
I'm filling up.
It was when I took the handle out. I accidentally pulled the handle out, remember?
Yeah?
Yeah, so one of the O-rings came off.
Oh, okay, right.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Well, here we go. Okay, let's see how far it goes. Oh yeah. Ah. There we go. Hey. Oh yeah. Not work.
Hey! Hey! Get over me! No!
Your only safety mechanism is to go by the camera. Okay. Okay. Ah.
The thing with that one is it's not hard at all. It's just like a continuous step. Then we do this.
It's not? It's not hard at all? Oh shoot, I'm running out of water.
We're just
Ah.
spraying the grass.
Okay.
Stop!
Ah. Works very well.
Stop!
Now it's all wet.
I will get into this. I will without it.
That's the fill cap.
Get into this.
Works probably better than the small one. And it holds 2.5 gallons of water, so that should be enough for like 10 super soakers. So that's good. Anyway, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share. And if you haven't subscribed, now is a perfect opportunity. And I'll see you next time. Go. Alright. Okay, so I went ahead and put another clamp on here where it popped off the other time. So now you can push it in as hard as you want, and it still works. Okay, check out how far this thing shoots. Whoa! Okay!